Welcome to Albania, a small country in the Balkans with a giant heart and a cuisine shaped by sea, mountains, and centuries of tradition. This is Albania's food culture: Mediterranean brightness, Balkan soul, and Ottoman depth. Along the Adriatic and Ionian coasts, seafood and olive groves define daily life. Inland, sharp mountains and green valleys give rise to hearty, comforting cooking. Think fresh vegetables, local olive oil, rich dairy, grilled meats, and recipes passed down at the family table. Albania sits on the western edge of the Balkans, a crossroads where flavors met and mingled. From Ottoman kitchens came love for layered pastries and fragrant spices. From the Mediterranean, sunshine on lemons, olives, and seafood. From the Balkans, robust grills, thick stews, and generous dairy. What makes Albanian food special? Ingredients picked at their peak, often from small family gardens, just hours before a meal. Many families press their own olive oil, a staple that anchors every dish. Recipes live in memory. Mothers, fathers, and grandparents teach by hand and by heart. Hospitality is a way of life. Sharing food is sharing love. Mediterranean notes: olive oil, lemon, wild oregano. Balkan comfort: grilled meats, rich cheeses, and stews that warm the soul. Ottoman echoes: delicate layers, sweet syrups, and spice. Albanian food is honest and generous, letting great ingredients shine. Byrek, the flaky heart of the nation. Tavë Kosi, a cloud of comfort from the oven. Fergesha, the hearty hum of the hearth. Kofta, grilled morsels of joy. From coast to peak, Albania is a tale of two kitchens. The sea gives its bounty, the mountains their sustenance, the valleys their vegetables. Quality and care do the talking. Albania invites you to the table. Let us meet the dishes everyone talks about. Byrek is more than food here, it is a daily ritual. Peat, dough stretched almost transparent, layered with oil or butter. Fillings shift with the seasons: spinach and gizi, seasoned meat, even pumpkin or leeks in autumn. Baked to a shattering crisp, it is breakfast, snack, or a light meal with yogurt. Sharing a warm slice says, "You are welcome." Tavë Kosi begins with tender lamb, sometimes chicken, often with a little rice. A creamy yogurt custard crowns the dish. It bakes in earthenware until the top puffs and turns golden, light and tangy on top, rich and tender beneath. A star of family lunches, holidays, and celebrations. Fergesha tastes like the countryside, peppers and tomatoes slowly melting in oil. Gizi, a fresh salty cheese, makes it luxuriously savory. Some versions add liver for a deep earthy note. Served in small clay pots, it begs for bread and company. Kofte are simple to make: minced lamb or beef, onions, herbs like mint and parsley, a few spices, sometimes soaked bread, rolled or pressed by hand. Best over charcoal, crisp outside, juicy within, kissed by smoke. A street favorite and a backyard staple alike. Served with chopped onions, lemon, bread, salad, sometimes crisp potatoes. These dishes carry memory, the taste of home, celebration, and everyday joy. They tell Albania's story in every bite. Byrek, Tavë Kosi, Fergesha, Kofte. Albania changes from north to south. In the north, hearty stews, rich dairy, cornbread called buka misri. Mountain kitchens master preservation, smoked meats, dried vegetables, bright pickles. In the south, seafood, exceptional olive oil, citrus, and fresh salads. Street life starts at the bakery with hot byrek. Grilled kofta feed busy afternoons. Markets offer quick, honest snacks, produce at peak flavor. Street food here is hospitality on a plate. Surprises? Fergesha with liver, earthy, silky, unforgettable. Traditional preservation fills winter tables with bold flavors. Visitors often expect simple and discover depth. Albania holds one of Europe's oldest living food traditions. Many families still cook from recipes handed down, not written down. Olive oil and dairy shape daily meals. Hospitality runs deep. Food is how you welcome the world. Breakfast is light. Bread and salty cheese, olives, fresh tomato, and a strong coffee, or mountain tea. Lunch is the main event. Hot, generous, shared. In cities, quicker plates keep pace with the day. Dinner is lighter, small plates, conversation, and time together. Dessert leans seasonal. On special days, pastries gleam with honey syrup. Coffee is social. Raki toasts seal friendship and welcome. Meals mark the rhythm of Albanian life, nourishing body, story, and community. Albanian food is warm, generous, and deeply authentic. It tells the story of a land where Mediterranean light meets Balkan heart and Ottoman craft. This cuisine has quietly thrived, waiting to be shared. Seek family kitchens, wander markets, follow the smell of fresh bread. Try a flaky Byrek, let Tavë Kosi comfort you. Scoop fergesi with bread and share kofti with friends. Simple ingredients, honest techniques, unforgettable flavor. Which Albanian dish would you most like to try?